I am proud to be Saudi. Happy National Day.
Country love is honest and it's true.
Saudi National Day is a day of pride for all Muslims.
Every year, my homeland is the most beautiful homeland of safety and peace. Happy Natural Day.
The country isn't the place the people live in, but it is the house that offers love.
Stand up and enable your National Day 88. Our established process and a long-term commitment to a nation that values youth with pride and belonging.